So today I'm going to be doing a video about this house and yard I made on Home Design 3D. I did a video of the house already, the inside, and I'm going to be doing a video of the sprinkler system in the yard. Right now I'm standing in the front yard on the sidewalk, kind of by the driveway, so I will be doing a video of that. Right here is the driveway. That's the house right there. There's all these cute little flowers and roses and stuff. And this is like the front strip with some trees and stuff. There's some sprinklers there. So if you're wondering, these weird colors and stuff, like these black sprinklers with the dots in the middle, like this one right here is on zone 1. And it has that dark green center. That's a K-Rain left corner strip nozzle. This one's a zone 1 too. It's also on zone 1, and it's got a K-Rain side strip nozzle, so the brown ones are side strip nozzles. So all these black sprinklers are zone 1 right here in this little side strip here, or the front strip here. And then this one at the end is a right corner strip. These are pop-ups. There's 18 of them on zone 1 total. And there's also some more in the garden over here, some tall ones for these bushes and stuff. So this is a RN200. It shoots a little bit further than the RN100. That's what the blue dot is. So that's a little pop-up there. This one's an RN100, the green one. This one's an RN200. This one's an RN200. There's a couple RN100s in the middle here. These are 360s. And then there's an RN200 right here. This is all still part of zone 1. That one's an RN200. Whoops. And then this one's even further. It shoots even further than the RN200. And this one's really tall because of all these flowers. That's all zone 1. And then this is kind of the little pathway to the front door right here. Zone 2 is these green ones here. So there's some normal ones in the grass here. So there's an RN200 right here, an RN100 here, an RN100 right here, and an RN200 right there, part of zone 2. And then over here, there's some tall ones on zone 2. This is a RN100, RN200. This one is a side strip, I think. I can't remember why. I think it's because, like, this one's also a side strip. This one's a side strip because it's just a garden, and yeah. Anyways, that one's a side strip. That one's a side strip. This one's one of those RN300s. They shoot further than 200s. And then zone 2 also goes right here, so there's another side strip nozzle, and then an RN100 right here, right there, and an RN200 there. These are RN200s, and this one here in the corner is an that's RN200, and these green ones are RN100s. This one's also RN100. So that's all part of zone 2. It also has 18 sprinklers. Zone 3 has the MaxiPause. These are the brown ones, the brown outlines. This one, the blue center, it means the nozzle color it has. The MaxiPause, they have, the shortest one is red, then the second shortest is black, and then the middle one is blue. The second furthest is yellow, and then the furthest is beige. So there's a black one here, so zone 3, this one here, which kind of gets this area here with the black nozzle. This one has a black nozzle. This one has a blue nozzle, and then there's this one in the middle here with a red nozzle, and then this one's got a black nozzle. That's all zone 3. Has 5 MaxiPause. Zone 4 is kind of further along here. It's these blue MaxiPause here. So it's got a yellow nozzle there. That one's got a black one. This one's got a yellow one, and this one's got a yellow one, and this one's also got a yellow one. It's got 5 sprinklers. Zone 5 is pop-up. So there's this garden over here with some daffodils in it. It's probably got 18 sprinklers also. This one's got a side strip nozzle there, the purple one. That one's a side strip one on zone 5. This one's an RN100. That one's an RN100. This one's an RN200, and then this one's an RN100. RN100 here, RN100 here, then it gets skinnier here, so there's a side strip there. Back to the RN100 there, and then an RN200 here. RN100 there, RN200 here in the corner, RN100 there, and then a side strip right here. So that's all zone 5, just this garden here. Zone 6 consists of this one right here, is this maxi pile here, the orange one. It's got a red nozzle, and then there's also this maxi pile here with the blue nozzle. This maxi pile's got a beige nozzle, and then this one's got a black nozzle, and then this last one here's got a blue nozzle. That's all zone 6. Zone 7 is kind of in the front and back, but mostly the front. So there's this one here with the yellow nozzle. There's also this one here with the blue nozzle. And then zone 7 also kind of goes along this garden here in front of zone 8, which are these yellow tall ones. But there's zone 7 there. Then this one here with a black nozzle. And then on the other side of the fence for the backyard is one right here with a yellow nozzle. Zone 8 is the pop-ups again. They kind of start here by zone 2 and they go into the backyard. Zone 8 has, this is a side strip here, side strip nozzle there, side strip there, side strip there. This is a left corner strip on this side, and then this on this side for the backyard is a right corner strip. And this one's a side strip there. This one's an RN100 right here. And this one's an RN100. This is a side strip there, side strip here. And then this is RN100 here. It kind of goes in this little garden here. This is a RN300 and an RN200. RN200 right here. RN200 right here. RN100 there. And in the middle, there's a little RN100 right there. That's all zone 8. Zone 9, back to the maxi piles. They consist of 5 heads. There are 5 sprinklers. There's these pink ones here. So this one's got a blue nozzle. There's this one here with a blue nozzle. This one in the corner has a yellow nozzle. This one here's got a blue nozzle. And then this one here in the middle's got a blue nozzle. Zone 10 is a little further up. It's these gray ones. So that one's got a blue nozzle. This one's got a black nozzle. There's this one right here with a beige nozzle. It gets all this area here. This one here with the blue nozzle. And then this last one here with the blue nozzle. And zone 11 is against this fence over here. This one's got a blue nozzle. This one's got a blue nozzle. This one's got a black nozzle right here. This one's got a beige nozzle. And then this last one here has got a blue nozzle. That's all zone 11. Zone 12 is kind of over here. It's like a row in the middle of the yard. So there's this dark green one here with the blue nozzle here. This one's got a blue nozzle. That one's got a blue nozzle. And this one's got a beige nozzle, and then this one here's got a yellow nozzle. That's zone 12. Zone 13 is the same row, just further up. So this one's got a beige nozzle. There's some trees here. This one's got a yellow nozzle. This one's got a yellow nozzle. This one's got a yellow nozzle. And then this last one here's got a yellow nozzle. Zone 14 is similar. It's further up, though. It's got this black nozzle here. And there's this one with a yellow nozzle. This one's got a black nozzle. And then there's this triangle little patio here. I don't even say if it's a triangle. It's more like a weird triangle. But it's got like some basketball hoops and a fire pit further up there. There's zone 14 there. And then this last one here with a beige nozzle on zone 14. And there's the back of the house there. So there's a swing set playground over there and a playground and stuff over here. Zone 15 has this one right here. This one right here. And then this one here in the middle. This one right here. And then this one right here. Zone 16 is these orange ones. So there's this one here. This one like right here. There's this one here. This one kind of here in the middle. And then there's one like right here on zone 16. Zone 17 is kind of in the very, very back of the yard in the corner almost. It's got this one here. This one right here. This one here. This one here. And then there's this one here. Kind of does like a half here. Kind of gets all this. Zone 18 is the very, very, very back fence. There's this cute little palm tree here. So there's that one in the very, very back corner in the very, very back of the yard, because that's like the backest part of the yard you can get, because there's the house over there. Zone 18 is here. Zone 18 is also right here, so it's kind of like along the fence. Zone 18 is here. And zone 18 is right here. Zone 19 is this one here. This one right here. There's a swing set, and then there's like one right there. And then there's this one right here, kind of by this patio here. And then there's like one right here. And zone 20 is the one right here. Does like a kind of like a little more than 270. So it's kind of working its way back to this part of the yard and to the side yard. So zone 20 is here, right here in the middle, right here, right by the fence. And then there's also one more I forgot about. There's also one more right over here. So that's all zone 20. Zone 21 is another row, just kind of on this part of the yard. So zone 21 is right here. And yeah, so zone 21 is here. And there's 5 of them just in this row over here. So this one, and then that one by the fence. Zone 22 is just like zone 21, just further up. Is this one, this one, this one, this one, and then there's one more right here. Zone 23 is kind of in the middle of the yard and by the patio here. So zone 23 is kind of over here. There's this one right here, this one right there, and there's one here in the middle, one here in the middle here, and then there's one like right here. Zone 24 is kind of over here to the right of the patio. So there's one right here on zone 24, one right here by the house window, by the living room window, one right here by the garden room window, one right here by this little plant tree thing, and then one right here by the side yard fence. Zone 25 is right here and right here by this tree. This one here, and then this one right here. And then zone 26 is the last zone in the backyard. So it's this one, this one, this one right here, this one in the middle, and then this one right here. Then the last few zones are in the side yard. So zone 27 is this one, and they're all rows. So zone 27 is these ones, all against this fence, and those 3 right there, these red ones, all the way up to the house. Zone 28 is these yellow ones. So there's this one, and they're all rows, like all the way up to that fence there. So that's all zone 28. And zone 29 is the same thing. It's just further down. It's just pink ones here, all the way up to the house there. Zone 30 is these beige ones here, which go all the way up to the fence over there. And this is all zone 30. Zone 31 is like right here. And yes, you spray the sidewalk. I didn't feel like putting pop-ups there by there, so zone 31 is these ones. Is all the way up to the driveway there. And then zone 32, the last zone, is right here, which is just this strip of grass in the side yard. So there's 5 of them. So this is pretty much all the zones, and this is the side yard and all the yard and stuff, and this is the last sprinkler on zone 32. So that's all of our zones and sprinklers and yard and all that. And this little house that I made, it's a big house actually. And there's the house again, back to the front yard and stuff with these cute little flowers and gardens and bushes. So that's pretty much everything, and I hope you enjoyed.